In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set to landscape mode in Canva. Let's go ahead and open up your design in Canva. You can do this from your recent designs or by creating a new one and choosing any template you like. Once your design is open on the canvas, look toward the top of the screen for the resize option. It's usually found in the main toolbar, near the center or right side, depending on your screen size. Click on resize. This is where you control the dimensions and orientation of your design. After clicking resize, a panel will open where you'll see a few suggested sizes. Instead of picking a preset, we want full control of the layout, so look for the option labeled custom size. Click on custom size to open the fields where you can manually set your width and height. This is the key area that allows you to switch between portrait and landscape, even if you keep the same dimensions. Inside the custom size section, you'll see boxes for width and height, and usually a small checkbox or toggle that controls how these values behave. Go ahead and check that box. In many Canva layouts, this box is used to lock or unlock the aspect ratio, or to apply the change to your current design. Making sure it's checked helps Canva understand that you want to actively adjust your size and orientation, rather than just previewing numbers. Next, look for a small icon that visually represents orientation. You should see two options. One that looks like a tall vertical rectangle for portrait, and another that looks like a wider horizontal rectangle for landscape. Click on the landscape icon. As soon as you select it, you'll notice that Canva swaps the relationship between width and height, turning your design into a horizontal layout. The dimensions may stay the same numbers, but the way they're applied is now landscape. Once you've selected the landscape icon, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Canva shows. You might see options asking whether you want to resize the current design or create a copy in the new size. If you want to keep your original portrait version, choose to copy and resize so you have both versions. Give Canva a moment to process the change, and your design will refresh in landscape mode, ready for you to adjust your elements, reposition text and images, and finalize your layout. That's all there is to it.